What is up, guys? This is Hadi from HadiTech, back with another video. In today's video, guys, we're going to be showing you how to make money using your voice. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to be talking about how you can do that in this video. Now, the topic of discussion or the main focal of this video is to review this website called Silencio. Now, this website is an AI company of some sort, I think so. And the premise of the work with this company website is to record high quality audios, and yeah, they use it later on to train the AI. So basically we have seen kind of similar work to this with other companies, but this one in particular, they pay in crypto currency. Now, at first, I have looked at Silencio and I did not really pay them too much attention because I thought it was a shady website. It was not to be trusted. But lately, some good reviews came out once they paid a lot of people. So I was like, maybe I should give them a chance. Now, the link to the website will be in the description down below, like I said before. And yeah, what you can do is, like I said, train AI using your voice. So if you are bilingual, speak like more than 2 languages, 3 languages, then you can hop in and start making money with this website. All right. The website, like I said before, is just a straightforward website. They claim they have worked with these all companies. True, to be honest, I don't know if that's legit or no, but what's legit is they have paid their users. The only factor for me that was holding me from reviewing this website is the payment. But as you can see, if we go to their X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, they have come out and said they paid a lot of people for their trouble or for their task. So if we go let me look for the post itself. It's here somewhat. Oh yeah, this is it. First payment we are going out today, and these are the languages they have paid. So if you can speak one of these languages right here, then go ahead and prioritize these languages because you will be getting paid first. Now the payment, like I said, will be in USDC, so it's a cryptocurrency type of thing. So it's not your usual currency, so you're not gonna get paid via a bank or wire transfer or like any e-wallets such as PayPal, Stripe, but still, like, you can make money with that one as well. And you can go ahead and check the comments as well. Some people got paid, some are still pending. But I just had to be transparent with you guys. So if you want to work with this website, then you have all the materials here to check out. Also, they have a Discord here for support, so you can join that. I advise you to join their Discord as well. And for the payment, I probably will not cover that, but this is here a video how to set up your payment and link it with the website, so definitely check this one out. So enough of me talking about the website. Let me show you what you can do with Silencio. So again, like I said before, the link will be in the description down below. Click on train AI and earn. Then in here, all you need to do is just log in with your Google account. So set up your Google account and log in to Silencio. Now once you are in, you will have a different dashboard than mine. They will ask you some couple initial questions to set up the whole thing for you. And if I go to my profile in here, you can set up your account. Like I said before, the more languages that you can speak, the more opportunities that you can work on, basically. So if you are a native or fluent in multiple languages, then please add them in here. All you need to do is just click add languages, select your language in here, and select the fluency level from here as well. That's all you need to do. Okay, then click on save. Once you do that, you will see the opportunities in here. So of course, I speak Arabic, French, and English, so I have all of these available. So if you want to work with one of these, all you need to do is just click join opportunity, right? Just like this. You can put a referral code, like it does not really matter. And yeah, what you can do is just multiple things, right? So there is a free speech option here, and there is a monologue option here as well. So for the free speech, they will give you a topic, and you just need to start talking about that topic while maintaining these key elements they mentioned here. So you have these 5 elements that you need to keep in mind while talking about the main topic. So that's what you need to do. All you have to do is just click the start recording, as you can see, and just start recording your voice. And for the minimum recording is 20 seconds, and for the maximum recording is just 5 minutes. So keep that in mind. Like I said before, this is the free speech option. If you want to go to the monologue, you will be given a script, and all you need to do is just read that script. You can read this script, guys, and just record your voice. Also, you can increase and decrease the font size right here, or the text size. And yeah, if you are done with this, you will have these coins right here to claim. And once you finish recording, you can see how much you're gonna earn. So it's 3,220 tokens, and these tokens will be converted into USDC. Here they mentioned that for each 1 hour that you record, you will be paid 10 USD. And the hour is equivalent to the time of the recording that you spend. So for example, if you reach 1 hour in recording, you will be paid $10. So it's not really hourly, if that makes sense. It's not, you're not getting paid by hour to work on this website. No, it's $10 per each hour that you reach while recording. So this is, like I said, the premise of this website. This is how you get paid. And again, these are the tokens shown down here for each recording. Once you do this, let me just go back, because I don't want to mess this up. Let me just do one example in Arabic. All right, so I have made this recording right here, just to show you. You can click the record button right here to record all over again if you made a mistake, right? And again, these are the tokens that you will be claiming once you finish submitting this audio. So click submit and keep an eye on this. Let's just do this. For here, let's just put silence. We're recording from home. The feeling is relax. Submit recording. Okay, now the tokens is increased. All right. So if we go to earning right here again, now we cannot claim these tokens right away. So these tokens are in review. So these are the tokens that we made so far, and these are the tokens that are in review. Once they are reviewed, we can claim them, and once they are claimed, we can withdraw our money basically. And again, in order to claim these tokens, all you need to do, make sure to download the app on your app store or Google Play Store, okay, and link, you will have a username here, and link it so you can claim your tokens. Okay, this is an important factor that you need to do. Once they are claimed, you can go back to your USD wallet, and what you need to do is just you need to create or have an ERC20 wallet on the PEK network, whatever this network is. And again, I mentioned that if you go to their Twitter, they will have a setup video right here. They will show you how to set up the wallet and link it with your account right here. So definitely watch this video, because it will be helpful to you guys. And on that note, again, you can also join that Discord, join that Telegram, and yeah, keep out for the news they come out with. And yeah, you just go ahead and start working, guys, I guess. So again, this was just a quick video on how you can make money using your voice with Silencio. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, comment down below, and see you in the next video, and peace.